Hi everyone! Chris Alonzo here and welcome back to my channel. Kung di ka pa nakasubscribe sa channel na to, click the subscribe button and notification bell para like kang updated. For today's video guys, ayun nga, nagmamadali na kami lumabas ng bahay dahil 3 o'clock ang aming appointment sa Trick or Treat ni Marikit sa Aurora Hotel. It's Candyland theme. So ayan ang kanyang outfit. At ito ang aming kasama, si Ate Kai Kai na unicorn. Ayan, para makita nyo naman magamit yung mic. Kasi sayang naman yung mic kung hindi magagamit, diba? So ano masasabi mo dyan sa bagong lashes?
It's very refreshing. It's life-changing.
So now we're here at Aurora. You see my princess? Hawak siya ng kanyang basket, ready to trick or treat. At ang mommy, tada! Daming bit-bit ng mommy. Hi! Pumasok na pala sila sa venue para mag-picture-picture. Hi!
We don't have to meet at the bar getting drinks. We don't have to sleep together for the night and forget each other's names. This doesn't have to be a millennial love affair. This doesn't have to be the night of fun and then we leave. Oh, I wanna make it last with you. Yeah, let's talk.
So, ito yung inflatable nila. Oh, go! Whoa! Yes, guys, how are you there? Finish na! Finish! Let's go! Ay, ay! Gumapang! Let's go na, Kit-Kit!
Hotdog! Ano ba kinakain ng monkey? Yes or no? Banana! Breakfast! Hotdog! Lunch! Hotdog! Dinner! Hotdog!
Enjoy yung matwa!
Hotdog!
Enjoy yung matwa!
What's your name? Hotdog!
Enjoy siya! Ayun, nag-enjoy!
What's your name? My name? Yes or no? Ako na magawa.
Trick or treat po! Thank you! Yung nanay yung nag-trick or treat.
Nanay na.
Nanay na. Thank you!
For Romy ka na yan.
Akala ko isang ano. Thank you! Thank you! So, ito na nag-trick or treat. I-announce muna daw kasi yung mga winners. Pero nauna na kami. Wow! Of course!
Okay. And I have the winner. The most
Wow! 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 Trick or treat! So we're here at 727 at may pinamigay silang keychain. Pakita mo. Ito na, nakadami silang candies. Oh, happy! And that's it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to hit like, comment, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you on my next vlog. Bye!